This is more than a cottage. It's an experience, and it's rarely offered on Southern Lake Rosseau. South Lake Rosseau is one of the most sought-after pockets in Muskoka. Opportunities here are rare. Properties like this don't come up often, and when they do, they don't last. It's a destination defined by privacy, prestige, and proximity. The shoreline here is absolutely breathtaking. Wide, clear, and inviting. The cottage sits remarkably close to the water's edge thanks to a grandfathered setback, making the view and access unparalleled. It's the kind of setup you simply can't recreate today. One of the most treasured features, a level, expansive lot, a rarity in Muskoka. From waterfront lounging to recreational space, this property offers total freedom of movement for every age and stage. The recently renovated bungalow pairs style with comfort, offering a welcoming, updated retreat for family and guests. It blends modern finishes with Muskoka charm, and just like the Boathouse, its close to water placement is grandfathered and protected. What makes this property truly special is its sports court and recreational compound. Think Olympic-grade beach volleyball, a golf pitching hole, putting green, and full fitness facility. Even a sledge push track, designed to entertain and energize. You'll also find a tennis court, pickleball court, and social spaces built for connection. There's a fireplace in the evening gatherings, and a custom sound system and beautiful nightscape lighting that transforms the property after sunset. This is a place designed to be shared, where kids can play, adults can unwind, and friends can come together in unforgettable ways. It's a property that lives as beautifully as it looks. Cherished by one family for years, this home has been a place of celebration, laughter, and lifelong memories. It's a true legacy property, and now it's ready for the next chapter. At 1082 Halls Road, every day holds potential. To relax, to play, to connect. It's not just a waterfront home, it's the foundation for something far more meaningful, your Muskoka story. For more information or a confidential viewing, please feel free to reach out to us.